Good day everyone, we're going to tackle about the globalization in migration. We're going to discuss our three subtopics. First is the factors affecting migration, the advantages of migration, and the current issues that we face today because of globalization in migration. To give you wide understanding, I will give you the definition of key terms. First is we have the globalization. It refers to increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of the world's economies, cultures, and population, driven by factors like trade, technology, and the flow of people and information. Next is we have the migration. Migration in its broadest sense, it is the movement of people from one place to another, whether within a country or across international borders, often with the intention of settling in the new location. Migration is the relocation of individuals or groups from one place to another, which can be temporary or permanent. In the year 2024, the global number of international migrants was estimated at 304 million, a figure that has nearly doubled since 1990. I will give you the top 5 countries that holds the highest number of international migrants. First on the list is we have the United States. United States hosted the highest number of international migrants with 52.4 million, making it 17.76% of 304 million. Next on the list is we have the Germany, was the second leading destination with 16.2 million international migrants, and the third is Saudi Arabia, ranked third, hosting 13.7 million international migrants. Next is the United Kingdom, came in fourth with 11.8 million international migrants, and last in our list is the France, rounded out the top 5 with 19.2 million international migrants.
4 factors that leads to migrations. Number 1, economic factors. Economic factors, many individuals migrate in search of better job opportunities, higher wages, or improved living standards. Wealthier nations often attract workers from developing countries, leading to significant migration flows. Economic disparities between countries are driving force for migration. Remittances sent back home by migrants contribute significantly to the economies of their countries of origin. Number 2, political and social factors. Political instability, conflict, and human rights abuses are common reasons for forced migration. Wars, persecution, and oppressive government push people to seek refuge in other nations. Social networks and established play a critical role in shaping migration patterns. Migrants often follow established paths where they live, have family or community connection. Number 3, environmental and climate change. Environmental changes such as natural disasters, droughts, and rising sea levels are influencing migration patterns. Climate refugees are a growing concern, especially in regions vulnerable to environmental changes. Number 4, impact of technology advances. In transportation and communication, technologies make migration easier and accessible. People can stay connected with their families and communities back home. The real-time information facilitates decision-making about migration.
Advantage Advantage for ignition in globalization. Economic opportunities. Global opens up new jobs. Marketings allow people in migrate in search from better employment. Operation higher wages, improve living standards. Migrants can contribute to an benefits from economic or different countries. Cult- cultural culture cultural exchange. Migration encourages cultural change and diversity, leading to tolerance and understanding between different cultures. People bring new traditions, customs, language, and customs, and enriching the house sanctify. Knowledge Knowledge and skills transfer. Global migrations allows individuals to acquire new skills and knowledge aboard which they can they can then bring back to their com- countries or share with their communities, promoting development and environment. Life improving to their management often for the country's better health, educations, and social service. This advantage can enter their overall quality of life, other better operating future generations. Reduction of population pressure. Migrations can ease population pressure in countries with high rates or limited resources by allowing people to move to areas with more opportunities and better infrastructure.
Current issue in globalization in migration. Security and border control. As migration flows increase, countries face the challenge of securing their borders while maintaining open and fair migration policies. This had been led to debates about the balance between national security and human rights, especially with the use of advanced surveillance technologies, border walls, and detention centers. Unequal benefits and inequality. While globalization has facilitated migration, the benefits are often unequally distributed. Migrants from poorer countries may face discrimination, limited access to healthcare, education, and social services, and lower wages. This can exacerbate between migrants and native populations, contributing to social tensions. Human rights violation and exploitation. Migrants, particularly those fleeing conflict, poverty, or climate change, often face exploitation, discrimination, and human rights violations. Smuggling networks, human trafficking, and abuse of migrant workers are major concerns, especially in regions where migration laws are weak or enforcement is inconsistent.